This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the device. This prevents shorts and personal injury. Once done, remove any battery and ground yourself with an ESD strap to avoid static damage. You should remove keycaps in an organized order and photograph the layout so reassembly is exact. Then use the screwdriver to open the case and locate the switch mounting points. This first set of steps exposes the switches and ensures you know which switch goes where before you remove anything. You now remove the old switch by desoldering or releasing its clips. Heat the solder on each pad evenly and pull the switch straight out to avoid tearing the PCB. Once removed, inspect pads and clean residual solder with wick or pump. Then align the new switch pins to the plate. Note the difference between 2-pin and 3-pin mounting, and test fit before soldering. When soldering, use flux and heat each pad just enough so the solder flows. This creates reliable electrical and mechanical connections. You finish by reassembling the plate and securing screws, then reinstall keycaps in their photographed positions. Power on and run a key test to confirm operation. If a key doesn't register, make sure you shut down first, then recheck solder joints for cold joints, ensure pins aren't bent, and verify continuity with a multimeter. If problems persist, swap the suspect switch with a known good spare to isolate issues. One troubleshooting tip: cold solder joints are the most common fault. Re-wet and remake them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.